up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we would be playing Free Fire. Not actually playing, giving you some informations. Oh my god, this is gonna take a long time. Not long time, like 6 or 4 minutes. You have to at least waste your life. You have to at least waste your lifetime in 6 or 4 minutes in sometimes in videos or something, right? Duh. So let's get started with the event of Diwali. I think many of you guys did not understand this things and these things. So especially for me who didn't understand, I know the person's name, which is in my life, that is Shorov and Shishi Shakib and Oshim and my brother. They're really dumb. So let's get started. Over here in Light Up Bermuda on 13 to 15 November, it's gonna stay this event. So from here, oh my god, this guy is so annoying. So Light Up Bermuda equals that over here you can go. Let me make you guys understand. The thing is, the twist is that over here, if you go over there, you will get this magic cube first. That is for free, legit free. My brother got it and Oshim also got it and I also got it. Bermuda is Light Up magic cube now. So you will get it, and let me show you guys with these light red dye what you will do. You will go simply over here. I'm marking everything guys like a baby for you. I'm making you understand everything. So you will go over there, simply click over here. With those things you will exchange one emote from here within 3. You will exchange one gun skin within 3, which is also permanent. It will be with you forever. It will never end. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So let's get out of here. And now you see this Diwali. Oh, you guys wanted to know from where we have to go. You'll simply click over here and then you'll go in the Diwali. Over here you will click over here, click this button, then you will go in and find everything. And over here Diwali, I don't want to talk about this because this thing sucks a lot. So let me talk about this a bit. So over here basically you will be getting nothing for again. Okay, you'll every day you'll do a mission and bust one of them. Then you'll get something out of them. Today's pool price is this one, and this backpack and Damdor voucher. You can get the backpack for free. I don't know still. So I'll know it and tell you guys. So if you guys know that you will get the backpack free, please comment and do. Over here you have the Diwali Ludo, which I guess it didn't end, but it ended for me or for you guys. You'll get these rockets and you will spin it over here and you'll get it the Fierce Warrior bundle from here. You will get this. Okay, let's click over here now. Oh my god. And call back event. Over here Boom Squad, you will play a new event with Boom Squad, and even the callback event. Callback event is like if your friend is not online for 7 days, you can call him back, text, send a link in the WhatsApp or Messenger, then you can bring him back again. So that it is. And Showroom is not online now. So guys, and if you were wondering from where we go, you simply go from here. This guy is so legit. You simply go from here. You will get in over here. You will tap this button. Let me show you. This button. Then you will simply go over here. You select any of it. Go. What activity you go? Right back. So let me catch you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.